In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom field in Capsule CRM to track the exact stage each lead is at in your Lean Helper campaign. Let's improve your outreach campaign by adding the Send Person to External CRM actions. First, make sure this action is installed from the plugin store. Now click the Add Action button under the first step of your campaign. Go to the Export and Integration tab, add the Send Person to External CRM action, and select Capsule CRM from the list. For a detailed guide on how to connect Capsule and configure export settings, check out our tutorial. In this case, I'll change the entity where I want messages to be stored, selecting Person, and delete any irrelevant fields from my default settings. One key point to remember, you need to ensure the correct identifier fields are set to avoid duplicating contacts in Capsule. Next, we're going to add a custom field in Capsule to update lead status. For the Lean Helper field, select Constant Value. Below that, type the name of the campaign stage for easy tracking in your CRM. I'll use Invited. Now for the CRM field, we'll create a custom one and name it Linked Helper Campaign Stage. Make sure to select the Overwrite option so Linked Helper can update the field with the latest information. Click Save to keep these settings for this specific action. Now let's repeat these steps for the next stage of the campaign. Under the Filter action, add another Send Person to External CRM action. Select Constant Value again and choose a custom field we just created in Capsule CRM. This time, I'll label the contacts as Accepted. Don't forget to tick the Overwrite box and save. I'll add one more Send Person to Capsule action after a follow-up message, where I'll mark the contacts as First Follow-up Sent. But what if a contact replies to your connection message? Normally, these profiles will be moved to the replied list and won't proceed to the next action. But I still want to track them in Capsule CRM. No worries, Linked Helper has a built-in option to send replied contacts to your CRM. Simply activate the Send Replied to External CRM setting and select Capsule. I'll label this stage Replied to Invite. For the Check for Replies action, you'll need to do the same. Turn on the Send Replied to External CRM plugin and adjust the settings. I'll mark these leads as replied to First Follow-up. Everything is set, so let's start the campaign. While Linked Helper is sending profiles to Capsule CRM, let's adjust the display to show the new campaign stage field in the CRM.